In this short video, I'm going to show you how to add pricing table to Squarespace. Unfortunately, since this functionality is not available through Squarespace itself, what we need to do is make use of a third-party platform. Don't worry though, it's completely free and also very easy to set up. The first thing I want you to do is to go ahead and click the first link in the description of this video, which will take you to the Elfsight platform. Once you click on the link, this is the page that you'll be taken to. From here, head over to the navigation menu right on top of the page, which is where you will find this widgets button. Simply hover over it and then look for e-commerce. In my case, it's all the way down here, and then from here I want you to go down until we find pricing table. In my case, it's right here. Click on pricing table, and then that is going to take you to the pricing table widgets page. Go ahead and click on create widget for free, and then you'll be taken to the template section here on the left hand side, and on the right hand side here you will see a little preview of what the template that you've chosen is going to look like. Now don't worry about the actual contents or the overall design of each of these templates, because everything is customizable, and I'm going to show you how to do that in just a second. In my case, I want to go for this one right here because I like the look of it. Quite simple and very clean looking. Once you've decided on the template, go ahead and click on continue with this template in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. And then here we need to customize the template to our liking based on our needs as well. So as you can see, there's 4 different columns right here. But if I want 3, I could just delete one of them like this, and then it will just disappear automatically. If I want to customize anything in the free section here, click on free, and then you can customize anything from the title to the buttons to the actual contents. And yeah, pretty much everything that you see here is fully customizable. On the left hand side here, you will see layout. You can customize the layout. So if you don't want it to be a grid, you want it to be columns, click on columns, and then they'll become separate columns. You can also make it into a table like this. You can also add pictures if you want to, titles, if you can hide them if you'd like to. Then there's also the appearance. Here you can change the colors of absolutely everything. I'm not going to get into too much detail about every single functionality here because that's going to make the video super long. I'll leave this up to you to explore and customize the widget to your liking. But once you're happy with the way your widget looks, what you want to do is go ahead and click add to website for free in the bottom left corner of the screen right here. And then in a couple of seconds, your widget will be created. Now, before you take it to this page right here, you will be asked to log in into the Elfsight platform. You can either create a standalone account through the platform itself, or you can do it like me. I just logged in through Google because it's quicker and easier. Once you signed into your account, all you have to do now is go ahead to the top right corner of the screen and hit the green publish button. As you can see, in my case, it doesn't exist because this widget is already published. So go ahead, click that, and then you'll be taken to the plan section where we need to choose a plan. Now, since this is the first widget we're using from the Elfsight platform, we can go for the free plan right here. As you can see, it supports 1 widget. However, in the future, if you do decide to use multiple of their widgets, or you want to unlock more functionality, you will have to opt for one of the premium plans right here. But for now, let's go ahead and select the free plan by clicking select right here, and then you'll be taken to the page where you can copy the code of your widget. This is what it's going to look like. So go ahead and hit copy code right here and head over to your Squarespace website. Once you're on your Squarespace website, go to edit in the top left corner here, and then that's going to take you to the editor of your website. Here, you need to decide where you want to display the pricing table. In my case, I want to create a brand new section beneath this image. So I'm going to click on add section right here, and then I'm going to add a blank section because I want the only thing to be in this section to be my pricing table. So what you want to do now is go to add block in the left corner here. As you can see, click on that and then click on the code right here, which is going to add a code block to your section. Go ahead and position it wherever you want. I want mine in the center. Then click on edit. And then what you need to do is choose the mode, make sure that this is set to HTML, and then delete this first line of code here, and then paste the code that you copied before from the Elfsight platform. Then give it a couple of seconds, and then this should load. If it says script disabled, don't worry, this is only for the actual editor. It does not apply once the changes are live. Now, you can also preview this to see what it will look like. Go ahead and size it accordingly. I'm going to stretch mine to full width. Then I'll just reset it like that. Then I'll just size it downwards like this. Don't worry if it doesn't load fully in the editor the first time. The reason for that is that sometimes it just bugs, to be honest. So go ahead, save, exit, and then let's go ahead and preview the website and see what the pricing table looks like. As you can see, super nice and clean, fully interactable. As you can see, people can click on the buttons, which will take them to the desired destination. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to add a pricing table in Squarespace. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.